What's up, YouTube? Back again with another video, and in today's video we're going to be giving another Bitcoin daily analysis. As you can see on the 1 hour chart, Bitcoin is still trading in this downward spiral pattern. As you can see on the bottom trend line, Bitcoin has 3 touch points, followed by the top trend line, which only has 1 touch point. The current price of Bitcoin right now is currently $62,870. So we have seen an increase of about 3-4% today in Bitcoin's price. We were initially trading around that 60-61 zone yesterday before making this gradual pump today, as seen within that channel. In my personal opinion, I do believe we continue to trade and within this pattern for the foreseeable future, the next couple of days to be exact. I do believe that we touched that bottom, that top trend line as indicated with the green marker that I've drawn inside that channel. I do believe we touched that top trend line before making our way back to the bottom. It is a possibility we do break below that 60,000 mark and into the 50,000 price range. That is a very possibility. It just depends on the macro events like the Clarity Act, the Middle Eastern conflict, other news and events that can contribute to the volatility of Bitcoin's price. As seen with the orange arrow on the top, it could go parabolic. Again, it just depends on the macro conditions. We could also break that bottom trend line and dip even further. That's also a possibility. Again, you guys, Bitcoin's price is subject to change. Please proceed with caution. This is not financial advice, but please proceed with caution when dealing with Bitcoin or any cryptocurrency, which are high risk assets. I would love to show you guys the 4 hour chart just to give you guys a more broader perspective on the trading activity of Bitcoin. As you can see on Bitcoin's 4 hour chart, Bitcoin is still trading in this inverse cup trading pattern. We have bounced off that yellow trend line, that orange yellow looking trend line. We have seen a bounce from that with the increase of Bitcoin's price today. So that could theoretically, or should I say, there is a possibility that Bitcoin could trade around that price zone. This could be the new price zone Bitcoin trades around. We could consolidate around this price. So just be on the lookout for that. It's not a guarantee, but just always be on the outlook for potential new patterns that are forming on Bitcoin's chart. We could also break past that yellow trend line and dip even further. Again, it just depends on the macro events, like I've stated, like the Clarity Act and the Middle Eastern conflicts. I also want you guys to understand that Bitcoin's price reflects longer on the 4 hour chart as opposed to the 4 hour chart. So pricing is subject to change, but it takes longer on the 4 hour chart. So just keep that in mind. In other higher intervals, it'll take longer as well. But let me know your thoughts and opinions on my technical analysis for the 1 hour, 4 hour chart for Bitcoin. Do you guys see the similar patterns? Are you using different indicators in order for you to digest your technical analysis? Just let me know. Please like, share, and subscribe. And you guys have a good rest of your day.